Well, it's hurricane season. We know how they form, but what next? How could forecasters determine their next move? Let's track it in today's Weather Workshop. Forecasters focus in on steering currents in the atmosphere. These currents involve areas of high and low pressure. Additionally, a steady belt of winds along the equator help guide storms closer to land. This starts with the main east to west movement. The trade winds are responsible for this in the lower latitude. This is why when storms form in this region, the trade winds take over and guide these systems closer to land. Now, once you travel farther north and gain some latitude, you run into the Westerlies, also known as the upper level jet stream. This belt of wind moves differently from west to east, so location and latitude are very important when determining where the storm will go next. Hurricanes and storms are also directed by other areas of high and low pressure. One that's well known is the Bermuda High, spinning clockwise in the Atlantic Ocean. Remember, high pressure spin that way, and when they set up, it strengthens the trade winds and also guides tropical systems closer and closer to the United States. An area to our south is another guide. We call it the Central American Gyre, a broad lower tropospheric cyclonic circulation. A mouthful. Spinning counterclockwise, the circulation can bring exceptional rainfall and branch off disturbances, directing them into the Caribbean and also into the Gulf of Mexico. The steering currents from these wind fields and different pressure systems will help determine the track, along with the Coriolis force, a result from the Earth's spin and rotation. This force bends tropical systems towards the poles as they gain latitude. If they move far enough, the westerlies or the jet stream take over and push them east and back into the Atlantic. A combination of these, among other variables like wind shear, Saharan dust, upper air disturbances, can influence the storm movement. It's also the reason why forecasting these tropical systems can be incredibly difficult.